So we've done the bulk of the assignment, but we're not done. You need to now read some of your classmates' answers and respond. The point of this is for you to see your classmates' perspectives. Maybe they caught something you didn't, or they interpreted the information in a different and interesting way, and so on. Please pick one of the students' responses or an example that you agreed with, and then you're going to respond to that one. Please note, do not respond to classmates you disagree with or a piece of information you want to argue with. Undoubtedly, there will always be opinions you won't agree with. Just do not respond to them. This is to be a positive experience, and if we begin attacking each other, it will defeat the purpose of this assignment. Besides, that's what MySpace is for. Go fight with them. Now I'm logged on as student McBride. You can see it right there. And unfortunately, my pickings are low. The only student I can respond to is student Gamble. So I'm going to read this, guys, and hopefully there's some historical fact I can agree with. Remember, it has to be a different fact than when I posted. Otherwise, it's going to be a shallow experience if you just tell someone else that they're a genius because they wrote and used the same exact historical figure you did. Fortunately, I can agree with student Gamble's point that the Native Americans adapted to their environment based on the natural challenges of the area. Now I'm going to list a historical fact that supports Gamble's and my point with right here. Instead of typing out, I already wrote it. I agree with Bryce's statement that Native Americans would adapt to their environment based on the natural challenges of the area. For example, so he didn't talk about the California natives, but I will, built simple houses because the weather wasn't too hot or too cold. And then I went on to show that my example, the natives in California wore simple clothing because, again, the temperature was moderate, generally moderate. But when it did get cold, they wrapped themselves in animal furs. So I didn't use his example of the Northwest. I used mine of California to show that it was similar to that. You just, again, highlight that, do our Control-C, drop down here, and just add your comment, Control-V, and then post that. Okay, so now we're looking at Ms. McBride's rubric. So she's just posted this. She only got half the points on the first part. Notice she only wrote a few sentences. She didn't cite correctly. Ugh, you should see her science grade. So now she's just gonna fill in this bottom part down here. And we know that she did all of this correctly. So she got 2 points here, 2 points here, which would mean a total of 4 points. And then you just take this grade, so she got 6 points right here, and add it down to this bottom point of 4 points, so she got 10 points total. And then the same cut and paste that I showed you earlier, just do that again right here, and the time and date stamp, just add that in right there, and you are done. Remember, if you ever have any questions, please see me before the assignment is due. I'll be in class most days, 1 hour afterwards to help you. Good luck.